Hello and welcome. This is the TMFX weekly wrap-up session from April 2nd, 2010. Alright, let's go see how we did this week. Intraday side of things, 13 trades, 13 calls, 12 wins, 1 loss, 165 potential pips. And those are chart pips, and 5% ROI. On the swing side of things, well, things didn't get so rosy. We've talked about drawdown before. Well, we're right in the middle of one. It started late last week. It got us, right at break even last week. Well, this week, we're minus 5%. So we basically have break even week here. Lost 230 pips on a 6 straight losing calls. Right here. Well, it had to happen sometimes. We had a couple of weeks where we had nothing but wins. So there we go. The life of with probabilities. So intraday 165 pips here. Let's go see how that happened on 12 wins, 1 loss. Here are the particulars. And we can see Friday 53. Basically, we started the week with a minus 10 to get going. So here are all the calls. Here are the profits. This is how many pips you could have had if you basically took the run to the last pip. So here's a trade of the week called by Wally, Coach Wally, on Wednesday on the EJ, and called at 8:17, triggered by 8:37. So 20 minutes later, in 3 minutes, we were up 23 pips. The target was 5 pips less, but it was quite easy to get a couple more pips because we just blew through that target. Never got to the extended target though, but could have been a potential 23 pips if you could have taken that right to the bottom of that swing here. So but the question is, was there 10 pips here available? Absolutely. In less than 3 minutes, your day was done, and that's the live in the intraday team trade room. Now let's plug this into the power of 10. Our 10 big pips per day. Well, on Monday there was only one call. It was a loss, so we lost 10 pips. We took a 10 pip loss. Lost $81, and then we made 10 pips, at least 10 pips each and every other day. We closed this power of 10 account, and we finished the week at 51.54 from 4,900. So pretty good week, all in all. Now swing side of things. Want to talk about this drawdown? Let's do it. Minus 230 pips, 5% ROI, so that's minus 5. And here we go again. And here are the particulars. The good news is we are up on over 60 pips on the euro, over 70 pips on the pound. We a tad bit down on the Kiwi, and things are starting to look up. So things are going pretty well right now. We haven't talked about these 3 trades since we'll put them in the report next week, as we'll have the completion of them. We don't typically write trades all through the weekends, but these are looking good, and we want to take advantage of any positive gap we may have going on here. So it'll be interesting. We'll report on this next week. Keep following, and because we don't really have a winning trade yet, not really going to show a trade of the week here. They were all pretty simple losers this week. So what does this mean as far as money is concerned? Well, very simply, we got Tommy Trader, still a great big smile. Tommy trades 2 accounts, the intraday trading account, the swing trading account. So Tommy managed to keep his smile shining despite everything that happened this week. So from his $2,000 in each account, let's see where Tommy's at today. Tommy just simply does the power 10 with his intraday account. Managed to get 10 net pips, and then closes the trade. So ensures to keep the pips. The toughest thing in Forex is not to make the pips. Really, find a good entry that'll make you some pips. It's to keep the pips. So we make sure that we have the discipline to keep the pips here. And in the swing trading account, since there's only a few setups, we take them all. And here we go. That's what happened this week. Tommy made 247 in intraday, lost 250 in the swing side of things. So we lost $3 for the week. So that's something to smile about. Nothing bad after running through a drawdown here in the swing side of things. If we're only down $3 at the end of the week, it's great. Got all the energy to start and make it all back next week. And only it'll take one trade to do that. And so far this year, well, these are our totals. And there we go. That's the profit we're into. And all right, so another flashback at our result. Intraday and swing. +5, -5. So pretty much a break-even week. It works out that we lost $3. Okay, out of a $3 out of net and about 9,000. So check it out. Here, give a man a fish he eats for a day, teach him how to fish he eats for a lifetime. We got Tommy here holding a great big fish with the Prince of FX, Rish Koya, right here. Aren't they happy in here? Well, we want to be your Forex fishing guide, so let's fish together and help you supplement your income. Starting right here, www.teachmeforex.com. Please visit us, find out who we are, what we do, and how we do it. Also find us on Twitter at www.twitter.com/teachmeforex. Daily results are posted on there, so follow us on a daily basis on the intraday team trade room. And more info, very interested, info@teachmeforex.com is the email address you need. And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a great weekend.